Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 on your Chromebook or your laptop. So all you have to do is right now open your browser or Chrome and try to search or type the Microsoft.com software download Windows 11. So as you can see, this is the final release, final update of Windows 11. So the version is 23H2. So there, before you install the Windows, make sure you download first and make the media here. There are two media. You can use a installation assistant here. You have to read about this before you begin using installation assistant. So upgrade Windows 10 PC to Windows 11 if you want to use this installation assistant. This is the requirement, and this is the how you can use bootable USB or DVD. You can create Windows 11 installation media. Prepare your USB here. Make sure you have internet connection, sufficient data storage, blank DVD or flash drive, and also has a 64-bit CPU so you can read and learn later. And the last way, this is download Windows 11 ISO. So you need emulator for this. And also this option for user that you want to create bootable installation media, USB flash drive, also DVD. You can burn into the DVD. Or you can create virtual machine. You can download the software that can read ISO file to Windows 11. Again, you have to learn about this before you downloading an ISO. So the point is prepare the bootable, and also don't forget to purchase the license first. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click on the button below. See you in the next video.